Tonight I'm going to make rigatoni Alfredo pasta with shrimp and mushrooms. On the side, I'm going to make sauteed asparagus and garlic bread. The ingredients I'm going to use include garlic, pepper, asparagus, white mushrooms, and shrimp. Mushrooms are a good source of vitamin C2, B3, B5, and B9, also known as folate. Folate is used to make DNA and other genetic material. Folate also helps tissues grow and cells work, helps with depression, and improves heart health. Garlic is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K. This helps protect against illness, boosts immunity, and fights cardiovascular diseases and hypertension. Pepper helps with anti-inflammation and protects against conditions such as cancer and heart disease. Asparagus is rich in fiber, and shrimp is good for heart health, protein, zinc, and antioxidants. Tonight I made a rigatoni Alfredo with sauteed mushrooms and shrimp, with sauteed asparagus on the side, and a mozzarella garlic bread. And for drink we have apple cider and white wine.